Hey guys, so today I am going to just talk about how I cooked my dinner yesterday. Um, so I cooked some cabbage with saltfish and steam up some vegetables. So this is how I do my saltfish. I boiled it first and then I clean it up and stir fry it with the seasoning like sweet pepper, garlic, tomato if you want. I don't use tomato, but I use sweet pepper to color my food, and onion, a little pepper, etc. And I stir fry that. Then I add the carrots first because the cabbage is very soft and tender. And then after that, I just stir fry everything. I don't cover the pot. I just keep stir frying it because I want the cabbage to be crunchy and nice. Then I add some okras to it. Guys, you don't want to, if you taste this cabbage, you don't want to stop eating. Just add a little Maggi all purpose to it and a little black pepper. That's the only powder I put in it. Very little Maggi all purpose just to bring up the flavor, and just keep stir frying it. Um, and I'm telling you, mouth water for this. It's delicious, crunchy and nice. I'm telling you, my family love it. Love, love, love when I cook. So I just keep stir it until it come to how I want it to be, and I add a little butter. So now I'm cooking up some liver, and I just season my liver like you season regular meat, and I just stir fry my liver as well. I don't add water to it. The only thing I add is a little ketchup and a toops of brown into it, but regular season like onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, and a piece of pepper just to kill the rawness from it. But this is how I cook my liver, and I don't add water to it. Then I turn the stove down so it can actually make its own gravy. So that's how I cook liver, because I don't want it to get tough. I remember when I used to cook liver and add water to it, it used to be so tough. Now it's not like that anymore. So you learn as you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. Bye guys. Love you all. Yes, and the yam and banana, I gotta come back and tell you, dasheen and sweet potato, it's delicious. Okay? That complete my meal. Love you guys. Adios.